Buying your first home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make. So you don't want to cut corners, and you need to do your due diligence. One of the steps in doing that is to get a pre-purchase building inspection. A building inspector will go through the property and report back to you on the condition of it. They may identify a range of minor issues, or they may identify things that are more significant and major. Either way, with the information, you're better placed to make informed decisions. You may decide that the defects identified are so significant that you just want to walk away. This property is not for you, let someone else deal with it. Otherwise, with the defect information you have, you can then set a more realistic figure as to what you think the property is worth for you. And if you've already made an offer, you may use it to renegotiate that offer down because of the defects identified. Whichever way it goes, you're better informed and you're able to make better decisions. It's a small price to pay when you're considering the significant decision you're about to make. So that's my tip for today. Never skip getting a building inspection done when you're buying a home. I'm Tim Gaspar, founder of Hatch Financial Services, helping first home buyers to hatch their future.